Hey guys, GK61 here, and today we have a package, and if you're wondering why there's sticky notes there, I covered all my information because I'm not the best editor in the world. So yeah, let's get right into it. Okay guys, so I know what's in the box. I just looked, and I know what I ordered, but you guys don't know yet. So on the count of 3, I'm gonna open the box. 1, 2, 3. You guys are probably so confused right now. So if you don't know, I don't have the best equipment. Not for like recording or stuff, but like gaming equipment. So I got 2 things here. LED mouse pad, or desk pad, because it's like 31 inches or something. And this, which I am very excited to tell you about. So, yeah, let's open both of them. Okay, guys, so I have everything I need here. So first, I think I'm going to open the desk pad or mouse pad. I think it's a desk pad. I think it said 31 inches or something, and that's pretty big. So, yeah, let's just open this. Oh, wow, that was actually pretty easy. Oh, wow. Pretty good packaging, actually. Yeah, this is definitely a desk pad. This thing's gigantic. Look, that's what turns it on. Okay, so you do need a cord, but luckily we have that cord. Okay, so if you just open it, or actually this is the whole thing. It's humongous. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put this to the side for now, and I'll plug it in and everything later after I show you guys this. Some people may know what this is by this symbol right here. I'll explain it as soon as I open it, and you'll see what this is. So let's see if I can just open this simply without like cutting my finger off or something. Oh, there we go. I got it. Okay. So, I say I got it. I can't even open it. What is this thing made of? Titanium? Oh my god, this thing. Wait, oh. Guys. It was literally like this, right? It was in here. And I'm like, how does this thing open? All I had to do was this. That's literally all I had to do. That's literally it. Okay. Oh my god, this thing looks amazing. Okay. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. You're probably like, okay, it's a keyboard. Well, it's a little bit more than just that. And I'll show you what I mean by that in a second. Now you're like, okay, maybe it has LEDs, which it does. It has LEDs, has pretty good RGB, I should say. But, wait, it's a 60% keyboard? But wait. Hold on. Just listen. It's mechanical. I got a mechanical keyboard. Brown switches. It is brown switches. Now, if you see, or not really see because I can't really pull it far, but right here, it's just right here. Right here, I have a mechanical feeling keyboard. It's the Logitech G213 keyboard. 100% keyboard. It's not 60% like this. And it's not mechanical. It's not mechanical. So, I needed a better upgrade. I needed mechanical, brown switches. I think I just say that. And, yeah, it's just really cool. It's a better upgrade from what I had. And especially the desk pad. because the other one I just had a normal desk pad, just red and black. This is like LEDs. I can turn it on, do whatever I want with it. But I was gonna say I've been waiting for like so long when I really ordered it yesterday. I've been waiting to buy this for a long time, and I actually got the money. And if you guys want to get this, it's the GK61 series RGB USB or Bluetooth 60% mechanical keyboard off Amazon. It is a bit pricey for a keyboard. I'm saying pricey when like all these like famous YouTubers have like $2,000 custom keyboard, whatever. It's $60. So yeah, if you want to get it for yourself, if you're a gamer, you can, or just like schoolwork or just work. So it's a great keyboard. I'll see if I could pull off the keys for you so you guys can see the switches. Okay, so I did manage to get the space bar off, and you can see the brown switch right here. Sounds pretty different from when you actually click the space bar. The space bar is like when in reality it's just normal clicking. Yeah, so that's basically it. I'll just pop this back on. Wait. I think it might be upside down. I put the key upside down. I'm gonna have to take that out again. Okay. There we go. That's better. Okay. So, yeah, I think that's basically it. Okay, guys, so here is the keyboard in full RGB action. So I'll show you all the modes to it. So we have this one, so whatever key you tap, it just lights up basically. Now this one I really like. Just goes like that and stuff. It's pretty cool. So then, I have the caps up on. And this one's pretty cool too. I should probably do like something like this. Like, that's so cool. And this one does your volume. So if I scream, like, no, I'm not gonna actually scream, but if I go, "Hi, everyone," just does my volume. And then, yep, just goes back to this one. So, but then, if I do this one, these are the arrow keys right here. Right here, just normal color. Also, just nice RGB. Now, this one, that's my favorite. I love that one. The RGB flows really fast, actually. And you can see on that J key right there, look how fast that's just going. I love that, like, wave. That's just so cool. We got the keycap pullers right there. So if I want to change the, the keys, which I actually will be doing, I ordered some HyperX keycaps that will be coming in the mail, I believe, tomorrow. So, I don't know, I might make a video on that. Probably not, because it's just keycaps. But I might post a photo or something. Yes, the desk pad. As you can see, it's also in action. Changes color. It's pretty cool. Hello, everyone, and welcome to the HyperX Alloy Mini. I'm just kidding. That's not an actual thing. My sister's in the background. Hello. Yeah, it's not an actual thing, guys. I just made that up. HyperX, if you heard that, and you're watching this, make that keyboard and hook me up with one. Sponsor me, please. I'm probably too young to get a sponsor. But anyway, yeah, let's just get right into the second day. Hello, guys. And today, we have another package. So let's get right into it. Okay. Yes, the HyperX pudding keycaps did come in the mail. So I'm gonna put them on my keyboard, and we're gonna see what they look like. Okay, guys. So we have the HyperX putting keycaps right here. Yeah. So let's open it. Oh wow. Oh, that's actually sick. It comes with like every single key. That is actually sick. That's actually awesome. Okay, so we have, yeah, every single key. Wow. Pretty neat. So if you see my keyboard here, you could see on, like, let's just say U, for instance, there's like letters under it. For keys like that, I might not take off the keys just because those letters might mean something in the future, so I'm not gonna take them off. But yeah, let me get the keycaps onto it, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so if you saw from the intro of day 2, you saw the keyboard and its lighting. I'm not gonna lie, it looks pretty cool. Look at that. So the lighting, I really like. I'm like not gonna lie, I really like the lighting. So yeah, so if we were just, sounds like a normal mechanical keyboard. The lights, I honestly think they're way more visual on with the white underside of the keycap. If you can't see that, it's like a white underside of it. It goes really well. So if you can see, I did keep the numbers on, just because they're a bit more descriptive, and they're basically like the F keys. So yeah. So yeah, overall, I really liked that keyboard and the keycaps. I will be putting the keyboard link and the keycaps link, and also the desk pad link in the description. All ordered from Amazon, and you can go pick it up for yourself. So if you like this Hyperzone video, go like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. We'll be making more gaming videos and montages soon. Thank you.